journey through life. I can't give up, it gets hard sometimes, but I know God's word is true.
What's up, ATC gang? We are back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you've been rocking with me, welcome back. So today I'm just going to show you really quick how to make some all-natural laundry detergent. My son uses cloth diapers, so this is our route for cleaning his diapers once they get dirty. I'll upload the actual laundry routine at a later date. So to start off, all you need are 3 simple ingredients, possibly 4 if you want to add something like essential oils for fragrance. So you can see I'm just grating the first bar of soap. You can use Castile soap. I will list and show a picture of the brand we are using. This is fragrance free. That's what's important because it's for baby sensitive skin. In total, I used about 3 bars of soap, and this ended up yielding a half a gallon of detergent once it was final. So the main thing to take note here is you just want to take the bar of soap as you're grating it and rotate the grater from side to side, just trying to get the 2 smaller sides of soap, because you gotta be mindful that you want this stuff to be able to break down and dissolve fairly easily in the machine. So that's why I'm going back and forth to make sure I'm getting the smallest pieces of soap as I can. So right here I was just showing that I ended up throwing in another 2 bars of soap, 3 in total. So I'm going to stop talking, throw some music on, and I will pop up the instructions on the screen as necessary. Okay, so right here I'm just adding my lavender essential oils. Feel free to add whichever type you like, but I'm adding for fragrance. The important thing is remember to make sure it's not a blend. You want it to be as pure as possible. Okay guys, so if you made it this far in the video, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Leave me a comment and let me know if you're going to try out this recipe, and let me know what your favorite emoji is. Thanks for tuning in. Be blessed.